Hello everybody, this is Namrata. Welcome to my channel and I'm here to take you to the journey of organizing your home and your life. This video is all about your purse organization. I'm sure you must have found it really difficult to find your keys or wallet in your purse, and this is where your purse organization comes very handy. I thought of sharing my purse organization ideas with you, so let's get to it.
The key to organization is having designated place for everything, and the organization it must be flexible enough if you keep on changing your purses. Having this kind of organization makes everything easier, plus it looks neat too.
So I have emptied out my purse here, and these are the things that I generally carry in my purse. So first thing is this pouch for carrying your money and other stuff. Then this pouch I'm using for storing all my cosmetics. So for me it's lipstick, compact powder, a tissue pouch, lip pencil, and this hand lotion. I make a point to carry this kind of small bottle of hand lotion, and every time I refill it. Then comes this kind of medication pouch. So if you're taking any medicines on daily basis, then you may use this kind of pouch to store this medicines. So for me, I have these medicines, plus I'm carrying in the same pouch, I'm carrying the spray, sunscreen not to forget, and hand sanitizer, and again a tissue pouch here. In this pouch I'm storing all hair care accessories. So I have comb, and I have this rubber band and a clutcher, and in same pouch I'm using this Vicks Vapora box for storing all my ear studs. And yeah, I make it a point to have this kind of wristwatch with me in case if your mobile get discharged and if you want to know time, then I carry this watch with me. Yeah, I carry some snacks in my bag too. So in snacks, this time I have this roasted grams with jaggery and some candies. Glass bottle to keep you hydrated all day long.
Of course, a glass bottle is to avoid use of plastic, plus it stops you from buying that packed water bottle from outside.
You may find that
I'm using this tiny box to store my earphone. All the other miscellaneous items which are not actually in pouch, this cute tiny little plastic box in which I'm storing all my credit, debit and gift cards. I prefer to use a single box for carrying all the cards. Then there are wet wipes. Yes, I'm a big pepper pen person, so you'll find always a little diary and pen in my bag. That's a must. You might be wondering why I'm carrying these coffee filters with me. My own trick of using these coffee filters as blotting papers. If you have oily skin, then you can understand that there is nothing which works better than these coffee filters. Take out a sheet and dab your face with it and you'll see the magic. If you have any other trick of blotting papers, please just comment below and tell me. And the side pouch of my purse in which I keep all of the receipts and bills, and at specific interval I do check them, and I see if I need to preserve them, if it's a bill of some appliance or what, or if not I simply discard them. Now packing all these your pouches in your purse. If you follow this kind of organization, you don't have to spend much time in gathering all the necessary stuff you need in your bag. And of course, when you end up spending a lot of time outside, you need your bag to serve the purpose of an entire package of all the stuff you need at one place. So this is all for today, guys. I would love to know your purse organization ideas. So please do comment and tell me your purse organization. Bye-bye.